Are you looking for the best RC Nitro cars? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best RC Nitro cars on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Traxxas Nitro/Racing Truck. Crafted on a 1:10 scale, the Traxxas Nitro/ is a short-course racing truck. This tested and trusted toy vehicle is equipped with a 2WD lightweight chassis and boasts TRX 3.3 power, delivering remarkable performance and speed of up to 15 miles per hour. Featuring an officially licensed racing replica body, it looks amazing and the vivid graphics make it stand out on the track. Other significant features of this RC Nitro car include high-torque steering, throttle servos, dual air filter, and tuned exhaust system with a blue anodized aluminum header. Moreover, it features an advanced Ki 2.4 GHz transmitter, offering smooth and stable car control. Number 2. Legendary RC Crawler. Crafted with a configuration of wound-wire coils, this RC Crawler is known for having a tough, powerful engine. The engine acts as a 2-pole electromagnet for the high-powered 2-speed transmission, while the 1800 mAh rechargeable battery gives you a long playing time. This truck with butter-smooth steering is suitable for multiple terrains, such as sand, concrete, and rocks, and is ideal for kids and adults. Its remote control is easy to operate and offers 2 speed modes to create a realistic simulation. YouTuber, RC Toys enthusiast, and the man behind that RC channel says, the drive shafts, axles, and bumper supports are made of pretty good plastic, so it should last a while. He suggests putting some hot glue around the openings to keep the wires out of the way and covering the motor with a piece of cheesecloth to protect it from dust. Number 3. Exceed RC Forza. Exceed RC Forza is equipped with an 18 engine to offer reliable and consistent power for high performance. It provides easy access to the front and rear differentials for easy maintenance. YouTube reviewer and owner of the channel RC Roads says, it is very smooth, sets up pretty nicely, has a good reverse, and the steering is really good on it. This quality tested car is structured on a scale of 1:10. Check out the detailed review of the product in this video detailing a tester's experience. Number 4. Losi 8i RC Buggy. With a ground clearance of 2.4 inches, this buggy car is powered by a Dynamite .21 Nitro engine and comes with a convenient pull start, preventing the need to buy a separate starter box. Featuring Metal Gear transmission and sealed differentials, this car is designed to survive rough conditions and is easy to use. According to the reviewer from the Metal RC YouTube channel, it is nice and bright and looks pretty good. It should give you excellent track visibility. This quality-tested car is designed for race-proven durability with accurate linkage alignment and ball bearing linkages that enhance steering and throttle service life. Number 5. HPI Racing Trophy Buggy. This entertaining RC racing vehicle from HPI is designed with large wheels and a slim body for better performance. It is equipped with an F3.5 engine with 2.5 horsepower for reliable performance and endless fun. The aluminium chassis has angled sides for extra stiffness. Batteries. 1 product-specific batteries required. Item weight, 10.6 ounces. Product dimensions, 23.2 by 16.2 by 7.2 inches. Number 6. Exceed RC Infinity Monster Truck. The Exceed RC Infinity car is designed on a scale of 1:10. It has a high-quality AM transmitter and receiver for good power control. The car comes with an 18 engine offering high performance on-road driving. You can access the front and rear differentials for better maintenance. Batteries. 1 product-specific batteries required. Item weight, 10.6 ounces. Product dimensions, 23.2 by 16.2 by 7.2 inches. Number 7. Team Losi Racing RC Car. The RC car from Team Losi Racing is designed with a cab-forward style body to improve stability and steering. It includes larger pinion bearings for additional durability, front and rear differential access, a radio tray, equalized driveline, and improved suspension for smooth movement. The RC Driver _online YouTube channel mentions in their review, "I like the way this thing handles, it has a very nice and nimble setup. You are not too tense when you are driving it. It handles really well through the bumps and glides smoothly over the jumps.